Today, our focus is on the literature review. We will also look at what is suggested in terms of using literature in planning different types of studies. Third, we will look at the steps in conducting a literature review. We will look at priority for selecting literature material. And the last aspect that we will look at is literature map. That is, if we would have enough time. Should we not have enough time, I would make sure that in the next workshop, we also include literature map, because this is one of the interesting subjects. And I'd like us to have a discussion and an engagement on that, because it is going to test our understanding of the workshop today. And the outcomes should be that participants should master the process of literature review. They should be able to apply acquired literature review skills in all stages of the research project. They should be agile in